everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while since I've posted any content, but hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Kind of want to throw this in here. Thank you everyone for the love and messages and stuff, the views, like I said, messages, likes, all that. So anyway, in this video I'm gonna show you guys a little DIY project ish. I'm gonna turn this turtleneck into an off-shoulder sweater. I haven't done this before, but I got this from the thrift store and it's just not fitting the way I wanted to, so I'm gonna do a little snip, see if I can get it cute. So yeah, stay tuned and let's see how this turns out. So I'm just gonna prep it for cutting. Just gonna lay it flat on the ground. Oh yeah, so this is why I love thrifting. You can find really quality items for a very affordable or bargain price. Yeah, so just prepping it. I actually need it to be facing forward, so we're gonna flip it around. We want the tag in the back because we need to be facing frontwards to begin. So we're just gonna fold it in the center, line up the shoulders, the seams in the shoulders, everything. Make sure it's as close to perfectly centered as you can possibly get it, and then you're gonna get some really sharp shears. You can either make a mark, I guess, with a permanent marker, or you can do like I did and make a cut. Now we're gonna start cutting. So you're gonna start at the center where you made your mark and cut all the way out to the edge, and make sure you cut all the way up because you're not going to be making the same kind of cut on the back side of the garment. So cut all the way to the ground or whatever surface you have your garment on for cutting. Yeah, so do that on both sides. And on the back, if there's a tag, you got it from the thrift store, just remove the tag without without damaging the garment and toss to the side. And like I said, you're not going to be making the same kind of cut on the back. You're going to cut straight along the back side, along whatever seam is at the collar of whatever garment you have. So just hold the garment or the fabric steady or taut so you can get a nice straight cut. So here I have the turtleneck and I don't want to throw it away. I want to do something with it. I don't know what I can do with it. A headband or I can make a scrunchie. I don't know. I'm gonna do something with it. I'll repurpose it. I'll figure something out. Okay, so this is how it turned out. This is the back. I like how it turned out. It's cute. It's cute. Honestly, it didn't turn out the way I was going for necessarily, but like I said, it's cute. I like it. In my mind, I was going for like that design where it like the top rolls over, which I may be able to do. I might just play around with it. I may have to like sew it down in a few places, but otherwise it turned out really cute. Honestly, I think I might wear it like this now that it just doesn't have the turtleneck. It's cute. I can wear it off the shoulder. That's cute. Or I can just wear it like this. The sleeves are longer. At first it was like right at my wrist, like that. So now that it's pulled down, I can go over my hands, and I like pulling my sweaters down like this. Like I said in the voiceover, I kind of want to use this as a headband, but I kind of feel like that would be, maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. I feel like that would be so ghetto. It would be so cute. It would be cute, but it would be ghetto. But I don't care. But I think it would be cute. Let me see if it's cute. Let me see if it's cute. Okay. We might be able to work with some. I don't know, maybe put it up, or I don't know. We'll just leave it down for now. Just leave it down for now. I don't know. I think I will just save it as an ear warmer, because right now I look like I'm about to go do some interpretive dance or something. I mean, I don't know. Maybe, no, I think with a different color, maybe it'll be cute. Yeah, I'll just save this as an ear warmer. Look at that. That's why I love DIYs, because just so much can come out of it. I got a whole cashmere ear warmer. And this whole look, listen, the more I look at this sweater, like the cuter it is. It's so cute. I really got it because I love the color. And now it's just, this is so cute. It's so cute. That's why Anyway, the sweater is cute. It's off because I really look like I'm about to go jogging. And it's, that's not what I'm going for right now. But it's cute though. It's just, I just can't wear it with this sweater. Yeah. It's cute, y'all. It's cute. Okay. Bye, y'all. Oh, thanks for watching the video. If you do this too, if you find a cute sweater, a cute turtleneck at the thrift, you know, and you want to try this, give it a try. Please let me know in the comments. Yeah, let me know how this turned out for any of you guys. The trick, like cutting it straight across in the back, I really recently just learned that. And I think it helped out a lot because I've ruined a lot of t-shirts just like cutting down like a whole loop. And yeah, I love how this turned out. So if you give this a try and it turns out great for you, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, leave me any other random comment, any video suggestions that you have, anything, leave it down below. Anyway, check out the description box, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.